Although Microsoft Teams is great for keeping organizations connected and collaborative, new research shows it also provides hackers with a subtle way to slip malware into your network. We'll cover the telltale signs of a potential attack and what you can do to avoid being scammed as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. While email was and still is a place to watch for phishing attempts, it isn't the only place you should be using caution. Most months, Microsoft Teams sees around 280 million users, and while Teams is almost a necessity for collaboration these days, its success has unfortunately made it a hotspot for cybercriminals. Recently, the cybersecurity research team at AT&T discovered a phishing attack exploiting group chat requests in Microsoft Teams. Now, to get an idea of how this scam works, let's break it down. This scam begins with a seemingly harmless chat request inside of the Teams app. But here's the catch. These invites come from compromised accounts, and should you accept the invitation to connect, that's where the real danger begins. Because the account you're receiving the message from is likely to be authentic and may even appear to be someone that you know, attackers can use this to their advantage. In most scenarios, AT&T's research team found that scammers tricked victims into downloading a file that looked like a PDF, but was actually a popular malware known as DarkGate. Once downloaded, it connects the victim's device to a server where hackers can access both their device and their network. Now, DarkGate isn't just any normal type of malware. It comes with features to help hackers bypass Windows Defender, steal browser history, and manage files remotely. So, what's the best course of action to prevent this attack? First, be vigilant about chat requests on Teams, especially from unknown sources. Next, get with your IT admin to restrict external access in Teams unless necessary. And of course, keep your team up to date with regular cybersecurity training. For organizations looking for help training their team on the telltale signs of a phishing attack, Rocket IT offers organizations both security training and phishing testing solutions. To learn more about Rocket IT's cybersecurity services, contact us using the link in this video's description. And to stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.